Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, there's a follower requested Appa to make 四大天王, which is a combination of 4 types of veggie stir fry in sambal belacan, which is a very common dish you can find in any restaurants in Malaysia. Some more asked me, Appa, what brand of sambal belacan would you recommend me to buy? I told him, no, you don't have to buy anything. You just make sambal belacan all from scratch. It's not that difficult. And let me quickly show you what are the ingredients we need and where you should go and buy all this. Now, first of all, let's start with the 四大天王, yeah? Alright, first of all, I have patai, sting bean. Usually, they will actually cut it into half, right? Some say if you don't cut it into half, sometimes inside in the middle, there can be some insects. So, yeah, cut it into half, and of course, you want to wash it. And then lady's finger, yeah. Actually, these are a bit too long. I prefer the shorter ones. Usually, shorter ones is younger, crispier. Then 1 brinjal, okay, 1 brinjal. And I have some wing bean here. Actually, most restaurants, they will use long bean. But my wife prefer wing bean. So I use wing bean here. And the best part is, don't go to supermarket to buy all this because you will end up buying 1 packet of this, 1 packet of this, 1 packet of this, and 1 packet of this. It'll be too much. I go to the wet market. So when you go to the wet market, you can get a bit of this, a bit of this, a bit of that, a bit of this. Done. 1 meal. All in 1 simple packet. Only few ringgit. Right? Perfect. Yeah? That's the beauty of traditional wet market here. These two is basically my wife's favorite. These two is my own favorite. Next thing, how do we make the sambal belacan? Very simple. I'm using 2 pieces of red chili here. You can use 2 to 3 pieces, no problem. And 2 shallot, 3 cloves of garlic, and some, this is heavy, dried shrimp, yeah? Dried shrimps, you want to rinse it, yeah? And also this is belacan. Now, it would be good if you can use some belacan powder. If you don't have belacan powder, you can use, this is the belacan paste or fine shrimp paste. Yeah? So all this you can, this paste or belacan powder you can actually buy from any supermarket. Alright, next thing, you want to put all the chili and shallots and the dried shrimp and everything. Peel off the skin, yeah? The skin for the shallot and also garlic. And then put it inside a chopper here and add in a little bit of water, not too much, yeah? You don't want it to be too wet. The water is to help the blending process. Less than 10 seconds, very quick. Off the power. You have this kind of consistency, yeah? I did not add in the belacan, yeah? I'll add in the belacan later. Right, then you are going to have something like this. You have to cut all the veggie here, slice up the lady's finger and the beans, and also cut the, this is oxidized so fast. Actually, usually after you cut off the brinjal, you have to soak it under water. Appa did not. So you see, started to get brownish so fast. Anyway, later we have to deep fry it. And this is the blended sambal and the belacan paste, and this is the washed sting bean. Alright, once your ingredient is prepped, ready, now the next step is start cooking, and the first thing you need to do is actually to deep fry your brinjal, especially your brinjal. Other thing maybe you cannot, you can choose not to. It's optional, but brinjal you have to deep fry because brinjal will take quite a bit much longer time to cook. So you want to deep fry it until it is almost like fully cooked, then you mix it with the rest of it. Yeah. So let's prepare some oil here. I'm using palm oil. Alright, you don't need a very high temperature, somewhere around 130, 140 degrees Celsius. Put a chopstick inside, you start seeing some bubble coming out and you don't see any smoke. Good enough. No need to be very hot. Wow, the brinjal actually oxidized very fast. So let's deep fry the brinjal. In restaurant Chinese cooking, they call this 过油. Run through, if I translate directly, it's called running through the oil. It's called 过油. When you do this, it will also help to preserve the color of the brinjal itself. See? you are getting the color. So we are going to just deep fry this for a couple of minutes, then it is done. This is only about 1 minute plus. You start seeing it is started to brown, almost there. Now I'm going to put in the lady's finger and also the wing bean. I'm going to let it run through the hot oil as well. But this doesn't need a long time. It will actually take shorter. So this is actually how the Chinese restaurant cut short their cooking time. They will prep their ingredient until it is like at least 60 or 70% cooked. Then only they will put everything inside into the main wok so that they can stir fry a lot more faster. Right? Now I can take it out and put it aside onto an oil absorbing paper. Everything less than 2 minutes. And this oil you can actually keep it and sieve it, yeah, if you remove any substance and sieve it, and you can keep it inside the stainless steel pot. Then you will get something like this and set it aside. You don't have to do the same for the sting bean, seriously. Sting bean you can eat it raw, the real cooking. Give it 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the oil where I used to fry the fresh ingredient just now, so we don't waste it. And even before the oil is heated out, we can actually put in the chili paste. And let's saute this chili paste for a while. Oh, by the way, this chili paste already contains the dried shrimp. So you can imagine how fragrant and how aromatic it is. A lot of people got sick recently. I think it's the changing of the season again. Take care, drink more water. Whoa, super fragrant. Now you're going to stir fry this, saute this chili paste until the color started to change. Or probably it will take you about 2 to 3 minutes at least. And we are going to season it a little bit with some light soy sauce, some sugar. Ooh, super fragrant. Actually, let's put in some salt as well. Let's saute this for at least a minute or two before we continue. We will come back shortly. Alright, this is after sauteing for about a minute or two. Look at how beautiful it is right now. I'm using a medium, slightly above medium high heat right now. And I'm going to add in the belacan. This is the belacan paste. Tune down the fire a bit. You can get chao da also. Ooh, actually, if you have the belacan powder, even best. Belacan powder tastes even nicer. Alright, then this is the time where we can add in the veggie just now together with the green bean. And we can actually give it some water here. Let's give it a bit of light soy sauce. A bit more water. Water will help to bring everything together, but at the same time, you don't want it to be too watery. You don't want to make it too diluted, yeah? Alright, it's basically done. Our stir-fry 四大天王 is ready. I'm going to off the fire and I'm going to serve it. Alright, here's my very simple version of 四大天王, stir-fry 4 veggie. Now, in sambal belacan. Now, I actually stir-fry a little bit too long just now. Why? Because I was keep on looking at my video and you know lah, I'm a videographer. So, I have to control the video and cook at the same time. Sometimes I do cook a little bit too long because I need to keep on checking on my video. So anyhow, you can cook it shorter because we have actually pre-fried it, yeah, remember? So anyway, it's still going to taste really good, yeah? I hope you like my very simple video today. My follower wanted to cook this for his wife, who's a lover of this dish. So I hope his wife will also like this. I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.